يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 6.3. This is within the Radd chapter. The answers to this exercise as well as 6.4 will be found at the end of the video. In this example, the deceased has left behind a husband and 3 daughters. So give out the shares first. The husband will get a rubu since there are children, and the daughters will get thuluthan since there is more than one. Next, from this, again, we should be able to see that Radd will be required. A quarter plus 2/3 isn't a whole. So we need to know which scenario of Radd is this. So this is scenario 3. This is because there is a spouse and only one type. The 3 daughters will count as one type. So this is rule 3, scenario 3, which will require the rule number 3. In rule 3 for scenario 3, we give the base number here will be the denominator of the spouse's share. The denominator of the spouse's share. So because the denominator because the spouse's share is a quarter, the denominator is 4, therefore the base number will be 4. We give out the shares for the spouse first. Well, what is a quarter of 4 is 1. And it will always be the case. The wife or husband in this scenario will always get 1. Okay, so the husband will get 1, and thereafter we write down next to the base number how much is left over. Well, if we had 4 and we used up 1, we write down Radd 3. This is how many shares are still left. And finally, we just need to give that remaining amount to the daughters. So we just write the 3 for the daughters. Now, luckily, there are 3 daughters anyway, so we can split that up amongst them and they will get 1 each. And very important, we put a tick on the 4 because this time, this 4 is the actual base number. Okay, in scenario 2, we put the tick on the number after the Radd. But in scenario 3, the number, the spouse's share, the spouse's denominator, will be the base number. So the base number will be 4. So in summary, the base number will be 4. The husband will get 1 out of 4, which is a quarter anyway. Remember, that's part of Radd, that the spouse won't get any extra. So the husband here will get a quarter, which is 1 out of 4. And the daughters will also get 1 out of 4 each, 1 quarter each. That is a slight increase since the extra shares have been redistributed to the daughters. So they're getting a little bit more than the 2/3 that they should have got. But the husband is getting exactly the quarter since there's no redistribution for the spouse. Jazakallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.